Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Tnat Ïalehkai jong sorkar jela kala ajing Arab mar arlak tam syaki arngut kinong mari ka jela kibanet sya Australia nak bentaban mikmat ya kari India syaka 13 pan Pacific Master Games arhaja apusau kabanong ha Urisau ha Gold Coast Queensland kabah ha Australia kini kilong ikong Kmoiñ walang na shngi mauleng South West Khasi Hills bat kakong Wandashisha Ïalehkai na Nongsder Ribhoi District ya kani lapan pau do director Tnat Ïalehkai udidi Shira MCS hakilat patai kubor hakat kanai dari unai tung arja apsau ikong Kmoiñ ibalalong ibala temen tam na bo kejala bane shimenta hakibabun kijing yakop mare lakalong habo kejala ne wat hakeleng jongkari lingba kejingla bane Ïalehkai bah hakawe ne kijing yakop na pedeng kinong shimenta kiba hakakarta kabah new pusan snem shaneng kabalalong ha Hyderabad menta usnem ikong Kmoiñ ila shakhot hakapan India Master Games Federation kumjuk kakong Wandashisha kadeka kentei ke baju smart bani shimenta hakibabuan kijing yakop mare kibalong shabar jala ya ikong Kmoiñ an sendan lang da uklur nong mare barim ke jala bat uba pau hari India uba binding star Ïalehkai uba nagashnong sakwang South West Khasi Hills District.
We are very happy to learn that two athletes from our state, Kmoiñ Walang, who is a resident of Southwest Khasi Hills, and Wandashisha Ïalehkai, a resident of Ribhoi, has been selected to represent India in the 13th Pan-Pacific Masters Games 2024 at Queensland, Australia in the month of November 2024. From the Department of Sports and Youth Affairs, we are providing all the assistance required. We are providing an amount of rupees 2,20,000 each to both the athletes, and we are hoping that both of them will come out successfully, and we would like to wish them all the best.